How to create an incoming stock with WMS-Lite. On the left-hand side menu, you have incoming stock here, so you click on incoming stock. You have different ways to create an incoming stock. You have the way to create an incoming stock manually, or you can also import the information from an Excel file. Let's start by creating the information manually by new incoming stock. So once you click on this, you can see that the screen is split into three sections. So one section is here, the information regarding the shipment. The second screen is showing the information regarding the product that will be stored in the warehouse. And the third screen is showing the different service charge that you are having here for this incoming stock. So you select the customer, then you select the warehouse. You can add description, you can add remarks, you can add the ETD, ETA, shipment date, different type of information, that the transport, if the transport comes into your warehouse by air freight, by sea freight, by truck, courier, production. So if it comes by air freight, you can add the different information regarding your shipment. And then if you have a house bill and a flight coming from China, okay, and then you can also add the different Incoterms if you need that. So we are having here the SKU, the product itself. So you can select all of the SKUs that your customer is having. These are the information that you added already before on the customer section. So this information will be automatically updated here. So you can inform the system which SKU you are receiving now. And then you will see if you have one box or different packages related to this specific SKU. In this example, we are having two type of packaging, so we can set which one we are receiving now in the warehouse. And then on this information, we can see that we have the QOP, which is 25. That means it is inside each box 25 units. This is the box type, the box dimensions, the kilo that we set, and so we can easily find which one it is. And if we don't have it, so we can always create a new packing here, select the information of the new packing. If we don't have the SKU as well, we can create a new SKU here. So it's pretty clear and quite fast as well. And if you need to change the type of box because we don't have the right box here, so we can click here and change the box and select one of the box which is existing here, and then we can add the item quantity, the gross weight. So if we agree with this one, we can say that we have 25 units. As we have 25 units in this box, the system will know that we have only one box. If we have, we can set as well, we can clean the boxes here. So if we said that we are receiving 3 boxes, the system will tell you that you have 75 units because we are comparing the 25 units here for each individual box. After that, you can add here the batch, the lot number here. You can add the expiry date here if you need to. This is optional. You can add the value as well. This is also optional, so you can set the value here you want, and then the price. This is the marks and number of your cartons. If they come, for example, from Kinsu. So, and then we can add here the location. Okay, so you can select the location here, and then we can set the different location. But you will select the location only if you are not using the mobile app. If you are using the mobile app, this information will be automatically updated accurately from the where the goods has been placed in the warehouse. So when the goods has been placed in the warehouse and you are using the mobile app, they can scan the barcode and they will be able to, the mobile app will automatically update where the three boxes has been added into the warehouse. This will be part of another video. Once you are done with this, you can set another product here. For example, we have a second product here, and then we have different type of packing. But on this one, we know that we are receiving only 7 units. So as we have 7 units here, the system displays that in red because we can see that we don't have any boxes that is as having a QP of 7 units in one box. All right, normally 3, but if we have 7, it's not possible. So what to do if you have this type of example? So you just click on this plus here, and then you are adding, right? Then you are adding which box it is. You can take the box, one of these box, and then you said that item quantity is 7. And in our example, it was 7. And then we have 0.6 kilo for this box. Once you save this, you can go back to take your box, the right packing that you have, and now you can see that you've got 7 here. So once you set the 7 here, you can click again, refresh the information here on 7, and the system will tell you that it accepts the 7 units, which will be packed in one box. So this is important to understand that this unique quantity here must always be related to the QOP. And it has to be a number that is able to multiply to reach this information. So once you are done with this, you can move down to the service charge and you can add the different service charge that you might have. So you can have a quantity of 1 pallet, then you will charge your customer for 4. That information will be built together with the billing. Once we are done with this, you can save this job, and once you save the job, you can edit the job. If you need to edit some information on that, you can have access to the job here, or you can also print the information on that, so you can have a document that is showing you all of the information that you have keyed in this file. And you can also print the QR code. The QR code will be, these QR code labels will be sticked on each individual cartons or each individual pallets, depending on what you are receiving. So then you have this, this is the label, the way that it looks like. You can print it on normally A6, A7 is possible as well. And then you just stick these labels into the cartons or the pallets, which will be stored in the warehouse. Once everything is done here, for example, we need to set, at the moment we cannot close the job, because to close the job we must be able to select the location. So when the goods is into a location, into the warehouse, like in here now, the goods is stored in the warehouse. From this time only, we can close the job. So when the job remains open, we are not charging the storage, because the goods might not yet be into the system, into the warehouse. So when the goods is into the warehouse and when the goods is stored in the location, then we can close the job. Once we close the job, we will start the billing from the date the job has been closed. When the job is closed, after this, we are not giving you access to change anything. So you cannot change the information and so on. So if you made a mistake after a closed job, so what you can do is to reverse that. You need to create an outgoing stock to be able to reverse this this wrong incoming. So we are doing that because our system is accredited by the customs, and also for your customers, we believe that it's important that nothing can be changed very quickly and easily. So we need to always have a traceability of everything that we are doing. Regarding the service charge, even after you close the job or even after you bill the information, you can always add new service charges to the system. So this is the only thing that we authorize you to change into a closed job, is to be able to add some information on the service charge that you want to add, for example, like that. So hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.